The operations of the ears to the mouth is like the operation of an entire sound system. You know what I'm talking about? An entire sound system. A complete simple system is from an input device, processed, and output device. Again, input device, processed, and then output. There's my headphone. And output. Okay, so when you think about that, you will know that, okay, the system of the ears in relation to the mouth is like a complete sound system. God is so awesome to have done that. So your ears, what is happening in these ears is more like the operations of a microphone. And then what is here is like the operation of a speaker. So the ears is like, the input. The input, there's so much, there's a lot happening in the ears. The ears is made up of the external, the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Every of this is very important. When you begin to study the make of the microphone, you will know that this what we are saying is just a grill. Outer microphone, there's a middle, and there's inner. And of course, those who are very technical inclined will begin to understand. Maybe you want to tell me what in the microphone is the outer microphone, the middle one, and the inner one. All right, but you need to understand that that's what your ears are for. The human ear is a brilliant piece of science, of engineering. What goes on there is that the outer ear receives sound waves. That's the tunnel. Whatever is going into the ears, whatever you're hearing it first goes through the outer part. So it comes into the ears, and those sound waves, create little vibrations that enter into the middle ear. In the middle ear, you begin to see a part of the ear that is called a cochlea. That's what receives these vibrations, and of course translates it, gets through some kind of nerves in your ears to your brain. And your brain, it's at that point that your brain receives it and understands it as sound and interprets it as different kind of sound for different frequencies. So you see, it's very key that you begin to understand how these ears work, because that's how the microphones receive sources and it is processed, and then your mouth is speaking what you hear. Of course, you also know one of the things that we were taught in biology about the ear is that the ear is not just to perceive sound waves to hear, but the ear is also responsible for balance. If I bust your eardrum, I guarantee you are not going to be able to walk. What is responsible for your balance when you are walking are your ears. So you see how important your ears are. Even in the world of audio, you lose your ears, that mix can never be balanced. You can write that down. Lose your ears and you will not be able to have a balanced mix. Okay? And just like how what I'm talking about is the problem of many audio engineers. The reason why you are not mixing well may just be because your ears are imbalanced. There are plenty of things that are going on in your ears. Don't go away. I'll be right back shortly.